Nothing wrong with that, is there? Hey? God, it's beautiful. Just give me a smidgen of up, Laurie.
Smidgen of
Up, yes please.
I thought it might be a touch nose heavy anyway.
Yeah. No, it's
nice
fine.
when it goes straight up like that.
Yeah.
Isn't it?
Yeah, lovely.
Really nice. Most elegant.
I'll just see whether it's laterally.
The trick is getting this down softly.
I
so
know,
you
I
don't break
realise
the
now.
bits.
I realise that. I realise that.
Try the flaps.
I will in a minute. I just want to get a feel of it first. I want to get the lateral.
Quite blowy as well.
It is. Touch and left on the ailerons, Laurie, please. Yeah. It is quite blowy. It's handling it though. Handling it.
People went from the golf.
Yeah, I will. I wanted to just make a long run over there. Yeah.
Oh, it is a jet. Ed. It is a jet. That's why I said it sounded like a jet.
It's got an unusual feel to it. It's very similar to a cub, the way it flies.
Yeah.
Laterally, it's quite powerful, the ailerons are.
Yeah.
I just want to get the feel of it before I put the flaps down. There's a tiny smidgen to the left on the ailerons, Laurie. Just a bit. She's floating around, lovely. I'm at half throttle home now. Right. Yeah, lovely. We'll try the flaps here. Are you ready for the flaps in a minute? I'll get it into wind. Okay. Flaps down. Yeah, stage one. That's stage one.
Yeah.
Let me just fly it around on that for a bit, get a feel of it.
Because we can mix in some
Yeah,
elevator
okay.
away, don't forget.
Yeah. That's a floater, that is. That's a real floaty. Let's just try and approach with that flap down like that.
Mind you, we wouldn't be able to land it with these goods.
Yeah, exactly. I'm just getting the feel of it because it's got a definite, distinctive feel, this has.
Yeah. It's very much like the Tundra.
Yeah. It is and it isn't.
Yeah.
It is and it isn't. Right. Let's just see an approach. I'm conscious that I've got to land it gently.
Nice and steadily.
Yeah, it is, yeah. Okay. I want to see what she sinks like with the flaps down.
It's only got the first stage.
Yeah, that'll do. That'll do.
Timer stop. Timer stop. Timer stop. Timer stop.
There we go. Got applause there.
I heard something crack when it went. When
Yeah, it was very
through
gentle. It was very gentle though, wasn't it?
Timer stop. Timer stop. Timer stop.
Very nice aeroplane.
Timer stop. Timer stop.
We want to really look after this one, don't we? It's really lovely. The colour's lovely, isn't it, in flight? Looks real, doesn't it, Laurie? Right, and let me have a look at that. Yeah, just have a good, give it a, yeah. Give it a, that's why I landed it. I wanted to see whether anything could, whoops, that's gone.
the seat.
That's the seat gone.
You're on safe.
On.